All right, I just got done installing this pendant light above our mantle here. And install wasn't too bad. One of the easier lights I've installed before. It did come with all the hardware you need in the box. Really clear instructions, gave you the wire nuts, gave you everything you need. Install didn't take too long. There is a wire lead that they give you in there that goes through the little post that this light is suspended from. Now on this post, there is two of them. Right now I have this at the lowest height. I'm about 6 feet tall, 8-foot ceiling. I can just barely touch my head with it. So it is something you want to have up against a wall or up above your dinner table, you know, not something in the middle of the room if you've got 8-foot ceilings like we do. Now this is its tallest. There's also two other heights you can do that are a little longer. What's really interesting about this light, is the glass really looks pretty when the light's off. What's interesting is this light changes hues. There are 3 hues, and it switches as you switch the light on and off. Kind of an interesting way to do it. They supply the LED bulb with this thing to allow you to do that. So it is controlled by the LED bulb they give you. If you find you don't like the hue switching, you can just get a different bulb. But I do think it's neat that you can kind of change the lighting color from a very kind of warm light to a very white light, and then kind of in between, which is more of a green color, which really reflects the color of this shade. When the light's off, it still looks really decorative, which is nice. I didn't think the light was going to be very bright on this thing, but it is surprisingly bright for what it is, even though this is like a smoked glass. So really like how this looks. It's kind of self-centering because the mount allows it to pivot. So a lot of great things about this thing. I'm probably going to buy a second one so we have 2 sitting in front of the mantle. Looks great.